In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute words on x.com, formerly known as Twitter, so you can clean up your timeline and stop seeing posts that you do not want to see. This is really useful if you want to filter out spoilers, unwanted topics, repetitive phrases, or anything else that keeps showing up in your feed. It only takes a minute, and once you set it up, X will do the filtering for you automatically. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com or the X app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, look for the More option in the left-hand menu if you're on desktop, or tap your Profile menu if you're on mobile. This is where X keeps all of the account and privacy settings. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This section controls your account preferences, privacy options, and safety tools. After that, select Privacy and Safety. This is the area where X gives you controls for managing what you see and how your account behaves. From there, find and click Mute and Block. Inside this menu, you will see different options for limiting unwanted content or interactions. Now choose Muted Words. This is the feature you need if you want to hide specific words, phrases, hashtags, or even usernames from appearing in your timeline and notifications. Once you are in Muted Words, click the plus icon to add a new muted word. A box will appear where you can type the word or phrase you want to hide. You can enter one word, a full phrase, or multiple variations depending on what you want to filter out. After typing it in, review any additional options, such as where you want the word muted and for how long. Then save your changes. And that's it. The word you added will now be muted, which means X will start hiding content that matches it. If you want to mute more words, just repeat the same process and keep adding them one by one. This is a great way to customize your experience and make your feed much more relevant. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple social media tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.